have in this test tube is potassium chlorate. So we can see the potassium chlorate in the bottle. It says the sign, it says oxidation agent. So potassium chlorate is a very oxidative agent. When you burn potassium chlorate, as you can see, while we are burning, when it heats up, it generates lots of oxygen. So when you have oxygen and heat, what will happen to something? Like it can burn, right? Oxygen and heat can help burn things. So today, this experiment, we are going to show how the potassium chlorate, when it's heated up, can burn gummy bears. Gummy bears are, what do we have in gummy bears? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are basically sugars. So when you have oxygen and sugar, when it burns down to release carbon and water. So let's see how it's going to work. So I have a little gummy bear. When this one is heated up, I'm going to put the gummy bear inside the test tube, and we will see what will happen. So as we heat it up, we can see that it's melting. Potassium chlorate is melting. So in a little while, I am going to put this gummy bear inside. Don't try this at home. So we have to be very careful when we use fire and experiments like this. So we have to take all the safety precautions in the lab. We have to wear our goggles and all the other. So we are doing in the hood because it can cause fire. So now the potassium chlorate is melted, and I'm going to put the gummy bear inside. Look what happened. Yeah, start talking.
So what's happening here? Obviously, we have our combustion reaction happening. So we're releasing a lot of heat. We're releasing a lot of gas. We know that when we burn a carbohydrate or any other organic compound, this vapor that's coming off is going to be partly carbon dioxide and partly water vapor. At the bottom, what's left is we have some soot that's left. When we burn a carbohydrate, we have some soot left.
Carbon.
And we saw all those bright purple flames, which probably isn't usual if you think about when you've seen like a wood fire or burning paper or something. The reason we had all those purple flames is because of the potassium ions that we started with in the potassium chlorate. So when we do a flame over something that contains potassium, we get those purple colors. Here's what makes this one a little bit different than just burning a gummy bear by itself.
Great. Oh.